Welcome to Natural Remedies.
Until about 40 years ago, cervical cancer represented one of the greatest threats of death from cancer in women. Today, due to medical and technological advances, deaths from this disease have declined significantly. One of the disadvantages of cancer is that it is often a silent disease in its early stages. This is one of the reasons why there continue to be many deaths from this disease. However, being warned in time by the symptoms that may seem common is key to timely detection and treatment. Warning signs of cervical cancer. Leg pain. One of the symptoms that can occur in the early stages of cervical cancer is pain and swelling in the legs. This happens because the cervix swells and prevents normal blood flow, ultimately causing this painful sensation. Vaginal discharge. Vaginal discharge is normal when it is secreted infrequently and without color or odor. If vaginal discharge increases, it secretes more often, it smells and has an irregular appearance, it is best to consult a doctor because it can be a clear symptom of cervical cancer. Unusual bleeding. This is one of the most common symptoms of cervical cancer. Some women have irregular periods and should consult a physician to determine the possible cause of the irregularity. If until now your periods have been normal and now you start bleeding between periods or after sexual intercourse, it is important to take warning and consult with a doctor. Pelvic pain. Pelvic pain is usually very common during a menstrual cycle. However, when the cramps and pelvic pain last longer than normal, or are more frequent or more intense, it is important to be alert and consult a specialist. Irregular urination. Apart from the discomfort, changes in urination habits can also be a key signal to detect this disease. If you begin to suffer from incontinence, urinating more often than usual, or you notice a discoloration, these are key warning signs. Pain during sexual intercourse. Feeling discomfort or pain during sexual intercourse is another key symptom in the detection of cervical cancer. In this case, it is best to consult a doctor to determine the reason for your pain during sexual intercourse. Do not ignore these symptoms and contact your doctor as soon as possible. Early response may save you from cervical cancer. If you have anything to share with us, comment below. Subscribe the channel for more health tips and recipes.